You've been caught in a daze, but you call it a haze, trying to make sense of your way.
Hi, my name is Ruth. I am from Berkeley, California, and I am a singer, songwriter. I produce, I play bass, and I am a full ride scholarship recipient here at Musicians Institute.
Why you lead me astray with the decisions you make?
I learned about the full ride scholarship actually when I was on disability from work, which I still am. I hurt myself working in the hospital system, taking care of my patients. I hurt my back and am not able to work now. So the full ride scholarship has really been a blessing in both financially. I wouldn't be able to be here without that. And it's kind of giving me a second chance on another form of life because I can't physically go back to my old job, but hopefully I can still help people in this way. I feel like MI is unique because you get to learn from people who are actually working in the field. They teach you based on things that they have written and created and things that you've heard of in real life, which is so exciting and so fun. And they can give you like real life advice and mentorship. It's just all encompassing and just very functional, which is really awesome. You know, MI is so diverse and there are people from all different backgrounds and ages and so many people that you can learn from all different aspects. And even though being creative is very solo, everyone has their own kind of weird way that they do things that's celebrated here. And it's easy to be inspired by someone who's just taking their idea and running with it and making it happen with the support. I don't know, it's just cool here. Like, it's cool to be able to feel open, just talk to the teachers. Like, even though they're teachers, it's not like there's a crazy hierarchy. They feel very personable and